Are you serious?
Alrighty, folks. Got us a cottonmouth. And it is hanging out. That's its tail there in front. And you can see where it just blends in really well from all the duckweed. Well, howdy folks. Shawn here from Hiking with Shawn on YouTube. And today I'm at Heron Pond. I'm gonna be doing the big hike today, where I hike all the way to Wildcat Bluff and back. Okay, used to be a bigger map on here. Oh, I think it's on the back. There's where it is. So, I am right here. So I'm gonna go here, check out the boardwalk, keep going, go here, go all the way over here, go here and there, and then walk back. Just when we walk back, we'll skip Little Black Slough because we've already walked it. And that's the plan. So enjoy some good old-fashioned swamp. All right, here we have a very low Cache River at the confluence of two streams, which is right here. Dutchman Creek, Cache River. So you'd think Bay Creek would somehow get involved because it seems to be everywhere. And it's looking like the bridge is starting to warp. Alrighty, on the boardwalk now at Heron Pond. Pretty area. All sorts of little tracks in the swamp where little critters or snakes and bugs and everything else are moving around. Cypress trees. It's swamp. All sorts of creatures of the swamp. Alrighty folks, got the big champion cherry bark oak. Always a good time to see it, but I do notice the past few times I came here, it's starting to get cruddy in there, so I think it may be starting to die, unfortunately. But it's a big tree. It's a pretty big tree. Alrighty. So we're gonna head towards Little Black Slough, Boss Island, Wildcat Bluff. And this is the way we're going, that way. And if you go that way, take it to Pello Trail, the side office, all that good stuff. But this is the way we're going. I haven't been down this way in quite a while, so hopefully it still looks good. Alrighty folks, here's our first creek. first creek crossing. And looks like it should be fairly easy today. Gonna kind of cover that maybe. Or I might just walk in it, depending on how deep it is. I don't know. Might as well just try it this way. But sometimes this is really high and impossible to cross. So if it's like this, it ain't too bad. Alrighty, folks. At the fork for Wildcat Bluff and Little Black Slough. Little Black Slough is this way. This way we'll be coming back. Oh wait, that's Wildcat Bluff is that way. Well, so is Little Black Slough. This way we're going. It's all growed up, but no one's probably been out here in a while. So I sprayed myself really good with tick deterrent, so I'm not too worried. Yesterday I think I got quite a bit of seed ticks and suffering from that now, but today I sprayed the inside of my shoes and my socks, so if anything does get on that, they're not going to live very long. Got a buzzard down there, gonna try to get a video of it. Oh, there's one there. It's flying. A little bit of bluffage here for you folks. Kind of cool. Bluffage near the swamp. Alrighty, folks, I want to give you guys a special treat and show you the swamp. So I climbed down the bluffs here, found an easy way. And check out the edge of the swamp here and show you how cool it is, because it does look cool. It's kind of something it's worth coming out here to see, you know. Might as well climb down and check it out. Just gotta be careful, because snakes are gonna be in this area. So definitely look down. Huh? Oh. And here we go. Cool little swamp area. Cool swamp. Yeah. Yep. There you go. Just an awesome little swamp. All right, folks, you can actually see more of the swamp out there. There you go. Kind of cool. And in the fall, when all these trees and leaves are much, you know, you can see everything. It's just like an ocean of swamp. I'll be reporting it to DNR, but quite a few trees are down blocking the trail, and this particular one here had to climb over here and kind of climb up it and everything. Yeah, so there's like 3 big trees you got to manage, but not bad. Almost to Boss Cabin. Alrighty, folks, we got Boss Cabin, and it took some work to get here. Everything's growed up. And I'm wearing shorts. I know, my own fault, but this is Boss Cabin, and at one time 8 people lived in it. It's 2 rooms. 8 people could probably fit in it, but it'd be little for 8 people. Now it's usually home to bats. Will get up in the ceiling part, and maybe some vultures. And it's open. A lot of people go in it. There's nothing that says you can't. But There's never been any water to it, never electricity, and the last use of it was a hunting cabin in the 50s. And then when the state bought all the land, they just inherited it, and here it is, Boss Cabin. Alrighty folks, coming to the point of the cache that we have to cross the river, and it might be a little bit more difficult because the trees came down and made it a little difficult. We'll see. But you can see there's pods, I call them. And just go across. Man, that was a big tree. Came right down. There's the cache. I do believe it's the cache. And you just climb the little pods, take the pods here, and it's a little bit more difficult, but not too bad. Not too bad. Sometimes I've seen snakes over here. Not today. But pretty cool. Alright folks. Here at the Wildcat Bluff. Top of Wildcat Bluff. Here's the bluff drop-off. And as you can see, pretty high up. That'd be a pretty hard fall. And all sorts of cool bluffage. One of these days I'm gonna climb down below in the fall, preferably, and explore the bluff line, because I think it'd be pretty cool down there. Alrighty folks, checking out the little observation area at the end of the hike, end of the trail. Still got a little bit of hike back, but this is what I always call the end of the trail. It's just pretty much the end. It's a nice little observation area with some bluffage and little like glade type hill. And in the fall it looks a lot better because the trees are just different colors, and you can see the Cache River Basin and everything down below. You kind of see some of it down there. Try to zoom in. It's kind of not very good, but it's all down there, and it just kind of turns and swirls, and it's pretty neat to see. I'd love to put a drone right over this area. Alright folks, found this interesting rock with fossils all over it. Oh, there we go. I don't know if you can notice them. There's little fossils all over them. Very interesting. Alrighty folks, nearing the parking lot. All together, put about 13 miles in. Sounds about right. Pretty good hike. About 13 miles, 6.5 hours. and had a really good time. Got to show the girlfriend Boss Cabin, Little Black Slough, Wildcat Bluff. And I try to come out here at least once a season and do this whole trail. So this is my summer hike. And then in the fall, I'll come out here when all the change is going on. It'd be pretty. And in the winter, I'll probably come out here like I did last winter. So, thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. If you do, be sure to hit that like button. Share this video with others, especially on social media. Or make a comment down below. Tell me what you thought. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please do subscribe. It's free, helps me out. And you can also follow me on other social media sites and my website, which is all linked below. So thanks again for watching another episode of Hiking with Shawn. And until next time, I'll see you on the trail. And I'll probably see all the horse flies and mosquitoes we saw today on the trail.